Been a while. Nawala ako sa motivation. Sorry. Been a while. Mga 2 weeks na rin yung lumipas. Nawala ako sa motivation. Sorry. I will be doing some walking. I actually did some walking last week. 20 minutes of walking na continuous. And okay naman siya. Bumalik lang ako agad kasi feeling ko napagod na talaga ako. Pero ngayon, ang goal ko is either maka 30 or 40 minutes of walking. Pinaka-agenda natin today. So, work ko. I haven't decided kung ano ang i-dinner ko. Bahala na siguro si Batman. Wednesday, 2 weeks na yung nakalipas since my last vlog. Hi everyone! I look nasty. Nandito ako ngayon sa coffee. I'm drinking some coffee. Ngayon, I think tumakbo na tong vlog na to for a month because hindi ko siya tinuloy. Kind of not having it. Kaya talaga siya naputol kasi meron akong vlog na ni-work on in the middle of doing this vlog. Nung natapos siya, wala na akong energy na ipagpatuloy tong vlog. After that trip, I think it's almost 2 weeks now. Might be more than 2 weeks. It's 7:48 right now. For the past 3 to 4 months, like I have so much blessings to be able to actually decide na i-take na tong step na to live in this place. As a probinsyana girl, leap of faith yun. Gusto ko rin mag-reflect. Hindi na ako mapapagod mag-commute. Kaninang umaga, habang nakatitig ako sa highway, I had this one hardship last summer. I wanted this stuff. Hindi naging madali para makuha ko yung stuff na yun to the point that I'd end up not having it. And I feel like it made sense. Kung nabigay sa akin yung bagay na yun, I wouldn't have the same decision that I made today. Fall into right place naman pala. If you're wondering, I'm not actually living alone. I'm living with few people. We can look at it like a dorm. So I don't know when will that happen, the living alone phase. Hopefully by that time, I'm still doing this videoing, vlogging, and everything. I consider myself as artistic person. Dito ko talaga nakikita yung pagmamahal ko sa sarili ko or appreciation ko sa sarili ko if I'm able to put up something that I love to do. Tomorrow, our update is pupunta kami sa Riverbanks, which is around Marikina yon, and we will go there, we will eat some food, and we will also go shopping. I will do this work and make my 200 coffee worth it. It's 9:30. This cafe will close at 10. I'm going to leave at 9:45 or 9:50. Kain kami ng seafood. Ewan ko lang kung makakakain kami ng seafood. Pero yun yung idea. Kumain ng seafood. Another one. Ang hirap! Pero nandito kami ngayon sa Riverbank. Ate ko, sasakay daw doon! Nandito sila ngayon. Naglalaro doon sa piso-piso. First time ko lang dito sa Riverbank. First time ko lang anywhere within Marikina. First time ko na lang ulit makapunta sa parang Peria. Picture daw kami, nalikod namin yung Riverbank. Takot ba yan? Teka lang, pinapa-intro nila. Sabi, sasakay daw kami dito sa horror train. Ayaw ko sumakay! Didistribute na sila ng
Ay, tulak ko yung multo.
Ate ko, tabi tayo!
Tulak ko siya, girl.
Mas nakakatakot
Tulak ko yung ano.
Nakakatakot ka! Oh.
Konnichiwa!
Ate ko! Ate ko! Kuya!
Triple camera, baby!
actually looking for a laundry bag. I have a set, pero nasira siya agad. Kailangan ko ng mas durable na laundry bag.
Ay, nandito.
Para next week namin.
Dito